The internet has changed everything, from how we communicate to how we shop, and most importantly, how we earn a living. The digital age has opened up a world of opportunities that were unimaginable just a few decades ago. It's now easier than ever to make money online. With just a few clicks, you can start earning from the comfort of your home. Whether it's through freelancing, online businesses, or remote jobs, the possibilities are endless. You don't need a lot of money to get started. Many online income opportunities require minimal to no upfront investment. All you need is a computer and an internet connection. You don't need special skills either. There are countless resources available online to help you learn and grow. From free tutorials to comprehensive courses, you can acquire the knowledge you need to succeed. Many people are finding new ways to earn income. They work from home, enjoying the flexibility and comfort that comes with it. No more long commutes or rigid office hours. They set their own hours, allowing them to balance work with personal life. This flexibility is one of the biggest advantages of making money online. They are their own bosses, making decisions that best suit their goals and lifestyle. This autonomy is empowering and can lead to greater job satisfaction. This is possible for anyone, regardless of background or experience. The online world is inclusive and offers opportunities for everyone willing to put in the effort. You can make money online too. With determination and the right guidance, you can turn your skills and passions into a profitable venture. This guide will show you how. We'll walk you through the steps, from finding the right opportunities to maximizing your earnings. It's easier than you think. With the right mindset and tools, you can start your journey to financial independence today. Freelancing is a great way to make money online. Do you enjoy writing? Can you design websites? Are you good at social media? These are valuable skills. Many businesses need help with these tasks. They hire freelancers. You can find freelance work online. Platforms like Fiverr connect freelancers with clients. You can offer your services. You set your rates. Do you like sharing your thoughts? Companies want to hear from you. They pay people to take surveys. Online surveys are easy to do. You answer questions about products or services, you share your opinions, you get paid for your time. Many platforms offer paid surveys. Survey Junkie is a popular choice. It's easy to sign up and start earning. Section 4. Crafting your niche, selling handmade goods online. Are you creative? Do you enjoy making things? You can sell your creations online. Handmade goods are very popular. People love unique, handcrafted items. They are willing to pay for them. Etsy is a great platform for selling handmade goods. It's a global marketplace for crafts, art, and vintage items. Section 5. The power of platforms, Fiverr, Etsy, and Survey Junkie. Platforms like Fiverr, Etsy, and Survey Junkie make it easy to make money online. These platforms have revolutionized the way people can earn an income from the comfort of their own homes. They connect you with customers from all over the world, expanding your reach beyond local markets. They handle payments securely, ensuring you get paid for your work without any hassle. These platforms are designed to be user-friendly, making it simple for anyone to get started. You don't need technical skills or a background in business to succeed. Whether you're a creative artist, a skilled writer, or someone who enjoys taking surveys, there's a place for you on these platforms. You can create your profile and start offering your services or products today. The setup process is straightforward, and you can begin showcasing your talents or products to a global audience in no time. They also offer support and resources to help you succeed. From detailed help articles to online webinars, these platforms provide a wealth of information to guide you through any challenges you might face. You can find answers to your questions quickly and easily. The FAQ sections and tutorial videos are designed to address common issues and provide step-by-step solutions. You can get help if you need it. Customer support teams are available to assist you with any problems, ensuring you have a smooth and successful experience on these platforms. Whether you're just starting out or looking to grow your online presence, Fiverr, Etsy, and Survey Junkie offer the tools and support you need to thrive. Section 6. Taking the first step, no experience needed. You don't need prior experience to make money online. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or someone looking to change careers, the digital world offers endless opportunities. Start with what you enjoy. If you have a hobby or a passion, that's a great place to begin. Learn as you go, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Every expert was once a beginner. There are many free resources available. You can find articles, blogs, and forums that provide valuable information and tips. Videos and courses online can guide you step by step. Platforms like YouTube, Coursera, and Udemy offer tutorials on almost any topic you can think of. You can learn new skills from graphic design to coding or even how to start a blog. The internet is a treasure trove of knowledge waiting to be explored. And improve your existing ones. If you already have a skill, refine it. Take advanced courses, join online communities, and seek feedback to get better. The most important thing is to take the first step. Don't let fear or doubt hold you back. Every journey begins with a single step. Choose a method that interests you. Whether it's freelancing, starting an online store, or creating content, pick something that excites you. Create your profile on a platform. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Etsy are great places to start. Make sure your profile is professional and highlights your skills. Start offering your services or products. Be patient and persistent. Success doesn't happen overnight, but with dedication and hard work, you can achieve your goals. Section 7. Conclusion. Your online income journey starts now. Making money online is within your reach, and it's easier than you think. There are many opportunities available. You don't need experience to get started. You just need to start and take that leap of faith. Explore the methods discussed in this guide. Find what excites you the most. Take the first step towards earning online income. Your journey begins today.